That's pretty awesome. That's pretty light, and that's very... It's not going to slide around at all.
Redwood. Giant redwood.
Giant.
I was thinking maybe cut a notch out in front so you can just run the wires underneath. So I
Yeah.
cut this out. And just hack a little notch out.
Yeah, it does not have to be perfect. How did they have the wiring? Was it just lying under the seat?
Just laid underneath and went through this. I couldn't pull it out, so I just cut it. There's no way.
Little LED guy right there.
I was thinking this flap, you can just screw right to this. Instead of dealing with a rivet in a sense.
Yeah, it's hurting.
Just fucking screw it right to this with some washers. That's the plan.
Dig it. We got our fabric, and we got foam. That should be enough foam, I think.
I think so.
I got a yard of it. Progress on the moto. Yeah, might as well. I'm going to start on the exhaust. See, I think there's still some meat in here.
Just take 10 snips and snip this shit off.
Yeah, that's probably what's going to happen. That weld might be a pain to cut. Do the shock and awe technique. Easy.
Yeah, it looks like it comes up to like here. So just bust that off.
Is that brazing? I think somebody brazed it on there.
Brazing.
It might have been factory.
It's fancy.
That was factory.
Welding this shit's like that.
It blows through it, yeah. It's as thick as tin. That's why I got clamps. We'll just clamp it on. I ain't trying to mess with that. This thing's not super aesthetically pleasing anyway, so.
No.
Alright, so that's what the seat looks like. And that's what the repaired exhaust looks like. And you're putting the official swag back on. Using self-tappers.
Just wood screws. Going into the wood.
Okay.
So you pull the seat off, it's gonna.
That's fine.
It don't really matter.
At least you won't get sprayed in the face, whoever's getting towed. That's awesome. That is really awesome. Just weld the little tabs on the side there and hold the seat on so it don't slide. In the front there too. In the back there.
You have one of them flat bungee straps?
Yeah. I have chair webbing I can put across it too.
Use one just to keep it down.
It ain't gonna go nowhere. Alright, so the seat's done. Little custom hood mount action. But it actually works. Starting to look like a snowmobile again. Oh, we also made the mount for the steering because it was really loose. Welded a support bar in right there. Yeah, I think that's perfect. Oh well. You get more leverage up there than where it was. Fired up, let's go ride. There was something else. Oh, we're gonna mess with the belt still, the track. And I want to try to tighten up the brake, which I think if we just tighten it, it'll be fine. It's still got all its shoe left. See the shoe? It's still like perfect. Let's try to tighten that up real quick.